Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to add page numbers in Google Docs. Firstly, head to docs.google.com and open the document you want to edit. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. At the top of the screen, click Insert. From the drop-down, hover over to Page Numbers. A pop-out menu will appear with the layout options. Add numbers in the header or footer, then choose to start from the first page or skip the first page. Now, once you choose a format, Google Docs will automatically add page numbers to your document. For example, if you choose header right, the number appears in the top right corner of each page. Just double-click on the header or footer to edit font, size, color, or alignment. And if you want a specific starting number, go to Insert, Page Numbers, more options to set a custom starting number. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.